Library resources. University libraries offer a wealth of resources, including books, academic journals, and databases. Learning how to access and use these resources can greatly enhance your research. Welcome to the world of endless knowledge, your university library. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of books to quench your intellectual thirst. From fiction to reference, there's a book for every passion. Dive into the pages and discover new worlds, ideas, and perspectives. But your library goes beyond books. It's a gateway to countless academic journals, where cutting-edge research and thought-provoking essays await. Ever heard of databases? They are the secret weapon of every great researcher. At your fingertips, you have access to an ocean of data and scholarly articles. Harness the power of your university library. Learn, research, and expand your horizons. Your journey starts here.